Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of superfoods and how to pack them into delicious, easy-to-make smoothies. Let's be honest, we all struggle to get those nutrient-dense foods into our diets sometimes. Life gets busy, and it's easy to reach for quick fixes that aren't always the healthiest. But what if I told you that you could whip up a tasty, nutrient-packed meal in just a few minutes? Well, you're in luck. Superfood smoothies are the perfect way to boost your intake of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all while enjoying a refreshing and satisfying treat. Get ready to discover your new favorite way to fuel your body. So, what exactly is a superfood smoothie? It's like a regular smoothie, but with an extra dose of goodness. We're talking about adding ingredients like spinach, blueberries, chia seeds, and even avocado to your blender. These superfoods are bursting with nutrients that can benefit your health in countless ways, from boosting your energy levels to supporting your immune system. And the best part? You can easily customize your smoothies to suit your taste buds and dietary needs. Tea. We live in a fast-paced world, and finding time for healthy eating can be a challenge. That's where superfood smoothies come in. Whipping up a smoothie takes only a few minutes, making it the perfect breakfast for those rushed mornings or a quick and nutritious lunch option. Plus, you can prepare smoothie packs in advance with your favorite ingredients pre-portioned and ready to blend. Talk about convenient and healthy. Let's kick things off with a vibrant and delicious berry blast smoothie. This recipe is packed with antioxidants from mixed berries like strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries, which help protect your cells from damage. Add a handful of spinach for an extra boost of vitamins and minerals, a scoop of your favorite protein powder for staying power, and a splash of almond milk for creaminess. Blend it all up, and you've got yourself a breakfast of champions. Feeling like you need a little detox? This green detox smoothie is here to revitalize you from the inside out. We'll be using leafy greens like kale and spinach, which are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. A squeeze of lemon juice adds a refreshing zing and a dose of vitamin C, while a chunk of cucumber aids hydration. Blend it up with some water or coconut water, and feel the invigorating power of this green goodness. Transport yourself to a tropical paradise with this vibrant and healthy tropical turmeric smoothie. We'll be using the incredible anti-inflammatory power of turmeric, which can help reduce pain and boost your immune system. Mango and pineapple add a burst of sweetness and flavor, while ginger gives it a warming kick. Blend it all up with some coconut milk for a creamy and satisfying treat. Get ready for a surprising and delicious combination with this avocado and matcha smoothie. Don't be put off by the avocado. It adds a creamy, satisfying texture and loads of healthy fats. Matcha, a finely ground green tea powder, provides a gentle caffeine boost and is packed with antioxidants. A touch of honey or maple syrup balances the flavors perfectly. And there you have it, folks. Incorporating superfood smoothies into your routine is a simple yet powerful way to nourish your body from the inside out. Remember to experiment with different ingredients and flavor combinations to find what you enjoy the most. Get creative, have fun, and enjoy the incredible health benefits these superfood smoothies have to offer. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to get blending and experience the magic of superfood smoothies for yourself. I encourage you to try out these recipes and share your own favorite ingredient combinations in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to prioritize our health and well-being, one delicious smoothie at a time. Don't forget to subscribe for more healthy and delicious recipe ideas. Until next time, happy blending!